Did you remember who your favorite teacher was in high school?
Haha, of course, it was Mr. Usman, our art teacher. You know him, right? He always so energetic when he talked.
Oh yeah, Mr. Usman. I really like his way of teaching. He always had an inspirational way to help us understand the lesson.
Yeah, right. I still remember when he taught to make our own song in group and perform in class. It was so fun.
Oh, I remember that. Was the one who found the chords and melody using the guitar. Haha.
And now we start to play the piano. Even though I was very skilled at the time.
Mr. Usman was really patient when when we didn't understand something. He explained it slowly.
True, it have never so hungry. Even when the class was noisy. He just said, come on, let's learn with a clap hard.
I really missed high school days. If I met Mr. Usman again, I would say thank you so much.
Agreed, let's find time to visit our school. Maybe he still talk and we could meet him.